Hey guys, Luke from 3D Pro. We're just going to do a bit of tutorial on how to install our Packout labels that we 3D print in-house. So as you can see here, I've already got some labeled up, so I know which Packout has what in it. So when you jump on our website, if you can select the background color and the color of your text, so we do green, blue, red, whatever you want, and then you put a little custom text to what you want, and then we can print it out for you. So all they do is they all just snap on. So for the slimline full width, all you want to do is put it onto one side, use your thumb, move across, and it'll snap on. So that's that one. We've also got the slimline half width, so same thing, snaps in, chuck on that left hand side, move your thumb across, and that's going to snap on as well. Yeah. Full width, just move this handle out so you can get to the side. Snap it onto the left hand side, move across with your thumb, and then that's done as well. So these are all done, and you can do whatever text you want. We can also do your latch as well. A lot of people doing like their company name or their personal name for the bigger job site so people don't get lost. And we also do the bigger boxes as well. So yeah, that's all done, guys. We'll push your slider in, and that's how it's done. Thanks, guys.